Welcome to the Quick and Easy Meals channel, the Keto series. Let's see what we have in store for today.
Quick and Easy Meals. Take out the stress to learn and make easy, delicious, healthy meals within minutes. Quick and Easy Meals. How do you like your meals? Quick and easy.
Okay, let's go over the ingredients for Keto Avocado Spinach Smoothie. First, we'll have some spinach. Then we'll have some coconut milk. It doesn't have to be almond flavored. This one has 30 calories. Then we'll have some monk fruit sweetener, or you can use stevia. We'll have water. We're starting off with a half a cup of water, but we may add more depending on the thickness and texture. Vanilla extract. We're going to use half of an avocado, and we're going to need some crushed ice. And today we're going to use the Blendtec blender. All right, let's get started on our healthy drink. So we will prepare our Blendtec to mix this ingredients up. So first we'll add a half a cup of coconut milk. We'll add, starting off with a half a cup of water. Then we'll add some ice cubes, no certain amount, but we'll just put in a few, and then we may add to it. And then we need to cut up our avocado, and we'll add that. So we'll scoop out half of the avocado and we'll put that in there. We'll use some vanilla extract. We'll add vanilla extract. We'll add 2 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener. Next, we'll add a handful or a half a cup or so of spinach. Good healthy spinach. And we'll put this, you don't really need to cut the spinach, but you do need to clean it. Once we have all the ingredients in here, ice, water, milk, spinach, avocado, then we'll add it to the Blendtec, and we'll select the option here, which is the smoothie. Okay, I think it's ready. Let's give it a try. And there you go, a nice healthy drink. If you want to add some protein to your healthy fats drink, you can make bacon and eggs and have that alongside it. There you go, a nice healthy drink and meal to get your day started. Or of course you can just have the drink by itself. There you go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and please take the time to look in the description for today's menu and links on information about keto.